Autofanatic CT coming at you with another video. Wanted to show you guys something real quick. I know I do a lot of BMW stuff, but I figured this might help somebody. This right here is a 2019 Audi A4, and a lot of these Audis, the clip ends up breaking. If you did have to replace the clip for any reason, just so you know, you got this little cover that goes on here. All right, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand here. So this cover goes like so, and then you gotta take like a flathead and pry it right off. The cover pops off. Then you take your flathead, you pry it in here gently. As you can see, it unclips. Boom, that's it. You'll be left with that. Reverse insulation. There you go. This is your quick, under a minute, how to replace an Audi visor clip. We out.